Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a header row in Google Sheets. So in here, I have already opened my Google Sheet or my spreadsheet, and actually in the Google Sheets, I still cannot find the feature to actually add a header, but here I found this trick. So what you need to do is just freeze the part that you want to make as the header. So let's say I want to make the header until this row 5 in here. So what you need to do is just drag this bold line on the left corner until the part that you want to make a header. So for example like this, and after that this 5 rows will be freeze. So when you scroll down, this row will still be on the top, so it became the header row like this. Okay, so that's a simple trick for me, but I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.